transfer technology is a printing technology used in our product stickers well produced by our manufacturer and factory that transfers the graphics and text on the intermediate carrier to the substrate with the corresponding pressure. To print the pattern on ordinary glass is not possible, so our supplier in China uses an intermediate carrier on the UV transfer stickers. The coating of our eco-friendly transfer stickers absorbs the ink and presents the image, and then the surface of the medium is strongly attached to form a personalized gloss embossed stickers.